Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you staring at a screen that screams, "This app is not licensed," every time you attempt to launch your PSPlay app? Well, you're not alone, and there's no need to panic. This error typically indicates that the Google Play licensing API is having trouble verifying your purchase of the app. But fear not, this is usually a temporary glitch and can be fixed with a few simple steps. First off, give your device a little breather. Shut it down for about 2 minutes, then power it back up. Sometimes this simple act of restarting can work wonders, and your PSPlay app might just spring back to life. If a restart doesn't help, it's time to check for any pending updates for your PSPlay app. An outdated version might be the culprit behind the error. If there's an update waiting to be installed, go ahead and do it. Now, if your PSPlay app is all up to date and the error is still there, take a look at your device's date and time settings. If you've set them manually, try switching to automatic. This could potentially resolve the issue. Another possible conflict could be with any VPN or ad blocking apps you have on your device. If these are active, they might be interfering with the PSPlay app. Try disabling them and see if the error disappears. Still no luck? Let's try uninstalling and reinstalling the PSPlay app. Remove it from your device, give your device a quick restart, and then reinstall the PSPlay app. This often helps to clear out any glitches that might be causing the error. As a final step, check if your device's operating system itself needs an update. If there's an update waiting in the wings, get it installed. This could be the solution you've been looking for. Now, if you've tried all these steps and the notorious "this app is not licensed" error is still haunting your PSPlay app, it's time to reach out for some professional help. Contact the support team and report the problem. They'll be able to help you troubleshoot further. In summary, to banish the "this app is not licensed" error from your PSPlay app, you can try restarting your device, updating the app, adjusting your date and time settings, disabling any active VPN or ad blocking apps, reinstalling the PSPlay app, and updating your device's operating system. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact the support team. Happy gaming! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.